Welcome to our Zojirushi rice cooker showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two of Zojirushi's most popular models, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 and the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10. Both are 5.5 cup rice cookers designed to deliver perfectly cooked rice, but they come with different technologies and features that may suit your cooking needs differently. Let's explore what sets them apart and which one might be the best choice for you. The Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 utilizes advanced neurofuzzy logic technology, allowing for precise control over the cooking process. This results in perfectly cooked rice, tailored to your preferences. On the other hand, the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 employs MICOM technology, which also ensures accurate cooking but adds versatility with a steaming function. While both technologies are effective, the choice between them may depend on your specific cooking needs and preferences. The nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 offers a wide variety of cooking settings for different types of rice, including options for mixed rice and porridge, making it highly versatile. In contrast, the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 includes a steaming function and customizable sound signals, adding to its functionality. Both models have automatic keep warm features, but the additional steaming capability of the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 may appeal to those looking for more versatility in their cooking. When it comes to size, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 is slightly more compact, making it a great choice for smaller kitchens. The nitrogen monosulfide TSC10, while a bit larger, offers additional features that may justify the extra space it occupies. Depending on your kitchen layout and storage options, this could be an important factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 and nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 rice cookers offer excellent performance and features tailored to different cooking styles. The nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 excels with its neurofuzzy technology and multiple cooking settings, while the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 provides added versatility with its steaming function. Consider your cooking habits and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.